Today we will continue describing characters using character traits. Internal character traits are personality traits that describe what kind of a person a character is on the inside. We can figure out a character's internal character traits based on what they say, do, think, and feel. Watch the video attached to this assignment for more help with internal character traits. First, log into Raz Kids, either the website or the app. Then pick a fiction book on your level and read independently for 35 minutes. If you're done reading your book and you still have time, please read another Just Right book. While you are reading, think about the internal character traits of the main character. Remember, internal character traits describe what kind of person your character is, not what they look like. When you're done reading, write the title and author of your book. Write a few sentences with the internal character traits of your main character with details from the text. Remember to use ACE to write a complete answer. I attached the ACE chart here. Here's my example. In my book, Tiger Rising by Kate DiCamillo, the main character's name is Sistine Bailey. She is sassy and confident. In the text, it states that she talked back to the bullies, Billy and Norton Threemonger, on the bus. She said, "It's not my fault you don't have good clothes." This shows me that she doesn't care what anyone thinks and is ready to say what is on her mind. As you can see from my example, I shared Sistine's internal character traits and proved my thinking by giving text evidence or what happened in the book. Here's another example. Sistine is also fearless because she stands up for herself. In the text, it states that when someone threw an apple at her in the cafeteria, she turned around and started kicking and punching them. This shows me that she doesn't run away from her problems. Remember, please post your answer below as a comment and click Mark as Done on your right.